Alright guys, let's make the easiest, cheesiest stuffed mushrooms ever. Seriously, this is so easy. I don't even have any of this footage sped up because it's that quick. Literally taking a pound of chorizo, taking the skin off, taking a pound of ground lamb, throwing that in a skillet and let it brown. While that's cooking, I'm just gently popping the stem out of these mushrooms, and 9 times out of 10 there'll be a cavity there that you can put stuffing into, but if it doesn't, you can take a spoon and clean the rest of that out. Now I'm just cutting up some pepper jack cheese. I'm just cutting it about a 1/4 inch thick and then enough to cover about half of the mushroom. Once your meat's cooked, just spoon it into the mushroom and top it with a piece of cheese. Pop these in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 25 minutes and they're done. Now I did have probably a pound or just a little bit more of the meat left over, so I would recommend buying 3 or maybe even 4 containers of mushrooms, or just be prepared to eat chorizo and lamb omelets and burritos for the next day or so. Guys, these were awesome. Really appreciate y'all watching and I hope y'all enjoyed.